Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a deep hair treatment using milk, mayonnaise, olive oil, and vanilla. The proteins and lipids in milk work to strengthen hair, while the calcium promotes hair growth and aids in preventing hair loss. Milk also contains vitamins A, B6, biotin, and potassium, all of which work to keep hair soft and shiny. Mayonnaise helps nourish hair, promotes elasticity thanks to the properties of the egg and olive oil. Mayonnaise can improve the hair structure. Vanilla compounds particularly rich in antioxidants, protect hair from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, maintaining its strength and shine. The B vitamins in vanilla also play a crucial role in promoting hair and reducing hair breakage